Hello everyone, I am back again for another weekly trading strategy. This video is for tomorrow, October 19 to Friday, October 23 of 2020. So, how we're going to go about our trading strategy is first through top-down analysis, and then we're going to look at what would likely happen on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays through the individual stocks that I think will be bullish or bearish on those days. So, without further ado, we'll go to US S&P 500. As you can see, the S&P 500 is currently still on a bullish trend. And right now, if it continues to hit this part right here at 350, 35.46 area, and it gaps up, we will likely get to a new high, and this will continue to be bullish. But there's still a lot of it could still possibly go down, but make sure that even if it reaches to this area, don't panic or don't think that the market will immediately get back to another recession. I believe that once we've gotten lower than about this area at 3202, then I guess that's the only time that we can expect to short the market or be prepared to short the market so that we can profit when the market goes down. So that's the US S&P. Now the Dow is the same thing. I follow the S&P 500 more because blue chips are reliant on this indices rather than the Dow Jones. But the Dow Jones is more of a support or a backup to see if your conclusions of the S&P 500 are the same with the Dow Jones. It's more of a better grounding for your investment strategy, if it makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So right now, I think that the S&P 500 is similar to, the Dow Jones similar to the S&P 500. We're seeing a bullish trend right here. I think that we will end in the week higher, and we'll have to prepare for that gap. And I think that this week it's much better to hold some stocks and wait for that gap instead of shorting it immediately and thinking that it will only end on this particular resistance right here. So for Monday, as usual, I believe that it's going to be bullish pop in the morning. And what I meant by that is I believe that once it becomes 9:30 Eastern Time, or if you're playing pre-market, it would be 4:30 Eastern Time, but I play on 9:30. I believe that on Monday it will be bullish for about a few minutes. I'd say that this would be until I always like to play until 10 Eastern Time, and expect that most stocks, particularly blue chips such as Facebook or Microsoft, will likely go down. So let's play the bearish trend right here. So I like to take profit before even 10 a.m. starts, and usually I take until 9:45 if I'm very cautious. But at most I never hold it after 10:10 of Eastern Time. That's for a Monday. And what stocks would be good for Mondays? So any blue chip. Other industries will be dependent on their own performance. So if you're following the S&P 500, the simplest way to trade is through being bullish on stocks like Facebook or Microsoft. So yeah, I'm reliant on blue chip for that one. And if you really love volatility, I think that Monday will be volatile as well, and bullish if you wanted more returns or you expect more returns. But for some of us who's a little more risk averse, simply take the stock for blue chip and make sure to take profit before 10 Eastern Time. Okay, so we're going to go to Tuesday. So just erase that part here. Go. So Tuesdays, I believe, will be neutral. So what do I mean by that? I meant that when it's neutral, it won't end higher or lower, and it's possible that throughout the day, the market will move sideways. So it would look more like, let's just erase that. It would look more like this. There we go. Bullish, bearish, bullish. And if you can see, it maintains that resistance there, that resistance there. I think that generally Tuesdays will look more like this. And I think that the most volatile for Tuesdays to trade will be defensive stocks. And for defensive stocks, I usually just buy Beyond Meat and rely on Beyond Meat. And for some of you, you'll have to do your research on that, but I believe Beyond Meat will be the best one for Tuesday. So let me just erase that. Some of you might ask, will Tuesday follow that 9:30 Eastern Time to 10:10? I believe that it will likely not, but of course you always have to adjust your trade because I might be wrong, and no trader will always be right. So we're going to go to Wednesday and Thursday. I said here, market gap up and break the resistance area. So I believe that on Wednesday or Thursday, you should average down for a swing and expect a bullish trend on either days. These are best for trading coronavirus stocks and defensive stocks. Safest return on a blue chip. So what I meant by that is, on Wednesday or Thursday. So we're going to look at the S&P 500. Let me just reload that. Oh, okay, there you go. We're just reloading it because I'm using the free one. As you can see here, I believe that by Wednesday or Thursday, the market will generally gap up, and we'll have to prepare for that. So on Wednesday or Thursday, I believe that whether it's being bullish or bearish, I think that we have to do partial trades or average those trades so that it will be safer for us for the gap up and prepare us for the gap up on either of those days. Overall, if you think about it, so Monday bullish and in bullish, right? Tuesday could be neutral, so let's put Tuesday as just that. And Wednesday or Thursday, it could grow like that and like that. So that's how I'm expecting this on Wednesday or Thursday. That's why I think it would be best to buy and hold on a Tuesday and wait to day trade for Wednesday and Thursday. Right, so we're going to go on Friday. So for Friday, buy and hold for next week blue chip coronavirus stocks. So same as Tuesday, I believe that Friday will be great in the same sense. So what you could buy for Friday is to hold is blue chip and coronavirus. So make sure, well, defensive stocks, I wouldn't rely on them for Friday, but as always, blue chips and coronavirus. There. And I believe that I wasn't able to clarify this. So if you want to trade or average down on Wednesday or Thursday, I believe that the best stocks to do that is coronavirus stocks and defensive stocks. Blue chips, well, they're pretty safe, but I don't think that they'll give the most return on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'll keep them on Mondays. Chip. And this is hold. Any you rely to trade. So I hope this all helps. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. And good luck for next week. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I'll see you next week on Sunday before 10:10 Eastern Time. Bye!